2 minutes left. I'm gonna be late for work. So hot. I need to cool down, but I'm gonna be late for work. Stupid microwave.
Go. Oh, shit.
Come on.
Owen, it's your third time being late this week. He's gonna have to fire you.
Stupid microwave.
Go.
Stupid microwave. What's that? Oh, stupid microwave. Oh, stupid microwave. I use microwave easy.
Go. Owen, I know you messed up a few times, but I'm gonna hire you again. Owen, can I see you in my office for a second? Owen, you've been coming. Owen, can I see my office for a second? Owen, can I see my office? Owen, can I see my office, please? Why are you laughing? Hey, Owen, can I see my office, please? You've been coming on time for a straight week. Because of that, I'd like to give you a raise. Stop.
That is microwave.
Owen, can I see you in my office? You've been coming on time for a straight week. Owen, can I please see you in my office, please?
Yo.
Owen, I want to talk to you real quick. You've been coming on time for a straight week. I'm proud of you. So, because of that, I want to give you a raise.
Thanks, microwave.